Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, I'll show you how to add a phone number field to your OptinMonster campaign. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. I'm almost finished designing my campaign. I just need to add a phone number field and I'll be ready to publish. Now, I'm adding this field to my pop-up campaign, but the phone number field works with all campaign types and templates. To add the phone number field, I'll hover over my existing opt-in form fields and then select Settings from the menu. Next, I'll select the Add New Field button and then select Phone Field. I now have the option to edit the placeholder text and adjust the width of the field, which I'm happy with, but let's take a look at the advanced options. Under Advanced Options, the phone field defaults to required, but I can make it optional if I want. I also have the ability to enable validation, set a field ID for advanced integrations, and edit the error message. Everything looks good, so now I just need to save my changes and publish my campaign. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation, or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.